Today we're going to be creating our own face card. We're going to be choosing a deck of cards and we're going to be creating the design that's within. So we're going to be learning about balance and symmetry. So as you can see here, I have the same design on both sides. So this is what we are going to be doing. So we're going to be needing a few items to begin. So after I list the items, if you want to pause the video, gather those materials, then we'll get started. So what we'll need today is we're going to need a pencil with an eraser, a black pen or a black skinny Sharpie marker, a black marker or a Sharpie marker, a ruler or something with a straight edge. You can use a folder as well, and something to color with. I'm going to be using markers today. You can be using crayons, colored pencils, watercolors, whatever you have available to you. And of course, we're going to be needing our drawing board or something to draw on. You can use sketchbook paper, any paper you have available. I'm just using white copy paper, and yours can be larger or smaller depending on, again, what you have available to you. So if you can pause the video, gather those materials, then we'll get started. So to begin, we are going to make a line down the center of our paper. So if you want to kind of eyeball up that center of the paper, or you could fold your paper in half, like a hamburger, and use that line as a guide. I'm just going to eyeball mine up as close as I can to the center. You can measure it if you have a ruler, or again, you can make that fold. So you're going to line it up. I'm going to draw a line with my pencil. Draw it very lightly so you can go across. So this is going to be my dividing line. So now I'm going to do, so now we have two squares. I'm going to create my face card. So you're going to choose, you can use king, queen, jack, a number, whatever one you want to choose. And you're going to draw that in the top corner of your paper. Remember to use pencil to start, just in case you make a mistake. So you're going to draw that in the top. So draw your letter or your number. And then you're going to draw the shape that it is. So there's clubs, hearts, diamonds, and spades. So you're going to draw whatever one you want, and you can use red or black. You're going to draw that below. If you're using black, you can just fill it in. Or if you're using red, so mine's red, so I'm just going to fill it in with a red marker. And I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. So I'm going to rotate my paper and do the same thing on this top part. So once I have my suit and my card number or letter, so queens, kings, once I have that drawn on both sides, I'm going to begin by designing my middle of my card. So what you're going to do is you're going to, above that center line that we drew, you're going to design a scene, a shape. You can do a king, you can do a queen, you can do any pattern that you would like inside the middle. Once you have that design drawn, you're going to flip your paper over and you're going to draw that same design. So as you can see here, I have my drawing. This one. Then when I flipped it over, it is the same drawing. So when you're doing this, keep in mind you want to use very simple designs and simple shapes that you can repeat on both sides. Another tip, if you want to, is you can sketch your design on a separate piece of paper, and then you can begin by doing different sections. So say I want to make a sunset again. So over here, I can make half a circle for my sun, flip it over, draw another half a circle, draw my next step, flip it over, and draw my other on the same side. So you can go back and forth. or you can draw the same pattern on both sides. It's okay if it's not exactly perfect, we just want to get it as close as we can. On mine, I know mine's not exactly perfect, but they look pretty similar if you were just looking at it. So I want you to use your imagination and create your own face card. So once you have that, I can't wait to see what you create and what you think of. Follow along till the end to see how this one turns out.